Hey, good morning, my friends. How are you? It's Sunday here in Melbourne. So I'm working on the BF109. This one here. Made a start on it. So we've got most of the cockpit together. Now there is an issue with this kit. The instructions, I haven't checked it again. So most of the numbers are wrong. You'll have to find the part yourself. But it's got a pretty good picture system and all that kind of stuff. But they get most of the numbers off, especially on this D sprue. And you can see the numbers on this picture here are different to the numbers on the actual sprue, which translates to a mess here. So we've made a mistake there somewhere, but that's quite common with border. So I got most of it together. There was only had a problem here with this bit. Lost that and that part. But that's, I'm not going to have the engine showing anyway. So yeah, it goes together pretty easily. And I've got all that together. Got all that together. And and now I'm just starting to work on these parts here. So the side parts. Also got the little pilot cracking along. So I have no idea how to paint a Luftwaffe pilot, so I'm just going for it. And I've just started to put down some colours. It's not going to be easy, I've just been looking at it a lot. There's a lot of different details to paint, so it's going to be some nice fine brush work going on, which I've already started. And I'll show you the other bits. Just put some heavy washes on this fella. Clean it up a bit more with the just finished doing cleaning it with the white spirit. All right, so here we go, and we got that side bit there. So just giving it its first initial colours, as I have with this. So I've got this all together here. Went together pretty well. There's no fit issues or anything like that. So that goes together quite well. And then you've got the control panel, which is a bit disappointing. There's no decals for it, and it's moulded pretty basically. So the interior detail isn't that great. Those machine guns look decent. But yeah, the interior detail isn't great. There's a cannon that runs through the center of the engine. That's in there. You can see that just coming into that part. And it looks like they load up the 20mm cannon through this box here. So that's where they'll work on it. And it'll shoot through the engine and out the front. Interesting. So that's what's going on right there. I'll put that together and we'll see how we go. Alright guys, I'll catch up with you again soon.